Good morning, friends. I'm Professor Shivyogi Patil. I was a retired professor from an engineering college. Now I'm a trainer as well as coach. Especially, I train in NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, and I'm also a life coach, which is a combination of lot of things like emotional intelligence coaching, happiness coaching, success coaching, business coaching, executive coaching. So all these are mixed into something called as life coaching. So life coaching is all about uh, helping a client to achieve whatever he want to achieve by changing his mindset. So by changing his mindset to a negative mindset or failure mindset to winner mindset, and taking him from his present state to his desired state. So that is actually the job of a life coach. And NLP, as I explained in the various other videos, neuro-linguistic programming, that is NLP, is one of the powerful psychological tool which has been scientifically proven that it can may change the mindset very easily so that you can uh, achieve success in life. So it can change your habits, it can change your old unwanted habits, it can you can what you call it as a imprint new habits of successful people. So therefore NLP is also called as model of excellence. Model of excellence means, or modeling of excellence, you can say. Modeling of excellence means you have to choose a model in which field you wanted to be successful. Then you have to study his habits, his patterns, his thinking patterns, his daily routines and all, and you can implement it. That is his mind's programming, and his mind's programming you can implement in your mind, erasing the older programming. So like this, you can easily convert your mindset into winner mindset, and you can model his excellence in whichever field he is excelling. You can also got that excellent results. So very, very powerful tool. NLP is also called as mind's manual because it will give you exact working of the mind, how our mind work, how our perception is formed, how based on our perceptions, our behavior changes, our feeling changes, our emotion changes. So by knowing all these things, so here in NLP we are unlearning a lot of things what we have learned till now, and learning new things, so that the old programs, the old unwanted programs which have become hindrance to our success, which have made us to think in a limited way, so which are sabotaging our success. So we are all going to slowly erase it and implant new behaviors, new patterns. So there are many techniques to implant new behaviors, new patterns in NLP, because it exactly give you a picture of how mind works, how our perceptions are formed, and based on perceptions, how our behavior changes, feeling changes, emotions changes. So how our action changes. So all these things will be given by NLP. So NLP is also a communication model. So NLP is also a communication model, means how effectively you can communicate with others so that they will get the exact point of what you are communicated, so that you can negotiate. You will get the negotiation capacity, you can get the deal closing capacity, you will get that pursuing capacity in your communication. And this is external communication. There is something called internal communication also, how you are going to talk with yourself, that is called self talk. That makes a lot of difference in your mind programming. So with the help of positive affirmations, positive thoughts, you can completely change the mindset of the your mind, so that you become positive in everything, your attitude become positive, you start thinking new possibilities, you can start thinking, exploring new possibilities. So your limited thoughts will give rise to unlimited potential, give rise to unlimited potential, because every human being has unlimited potential. The word human itself indicate the potentiality of the man. So human, the word itself talks about the unlimited potential we can achieve in life. So therefore, my dear friends, NLP is a psychological tool which is already scientifically proven and practically implemented by people who are themselves called as the NLP practitioners and become very, very successful. For example, you might have heard about Tony Robbins. You might have seen his motivational video. Tony Robbins, though he doesn't take the name of NLP, he is actually NLP practitioner and he uses NLP to motivate the people. So he charges lakhs of rupees to train the people in positive mindset so that they can achieve the success, and results are visible. So he trained the corporates. So wherever he gives training to corporates, so that corporates have achieved peak of successes, what you can call it as, because NLP gives you peak performance mindset. NLP gives you peak performance mindset. So you will what you can it will give you the power to use your full potential, because your full potential is in your mind, not in your body. So whatever tiredness, whatever lethargy, whatever laziness you feel, it is all related to mind. It is not related to body. So therefore, if you can change the old programming, which is creating these limiting thoughts, with new programming, new behavior. So there is a technique called as new behavior generator. So you can use that to change your behavior into a new behavior so that you can achieve that peak performance mindset. So the last thing what we the NLP is beneficial for is, so you can erase your past memories which are haunting you, which are creating nightmares in your lives. So the negative memories which are giving you traumatic experiences. So you can easily erase them slowly, one by one. Of course, it will take time. It will take several sessions. It will take practice. It is not a magic thing. But so slowly, you can reduce the intensity of those memories, and finally, you can erase the old, all bad memories, so that you can come out of any sort of trauma or psychological anxiety, panic disorder, phobia, or even depression also. So that also one of the important aspect of the NLP, because it helps you to erase the old traumatic memories, and it also helps you to give up the bad habits. It also helps you to give up the bad habits, so like smoking, drinking, taking drugs and all, and develop the new healthy habits. So that way, that is the reason I call this NLP training is as the life-changing experience. So the experience the magic of change with NLP. That means that your total personality, thinking pattern. So, but I will give you the concept, because I don't know, I am not a magician to change you overnight or something like that. I will give you exact theory, exact concepts, and I will make you to practice also. So, but you have to practice it regularly and rigorously to apply in your life, so that your mindset changes drastically, and your behavior changes, your feelings changes. So you become respectful, you become what you call as friendly with everyone. You forget all those jealousy, hatred, and other things which are what you call it as a harmful, negative things for your life. So that's why I have given the tagline, move from ordinary to extraordinary. So if you implement NLP in your life seriously, definitely you will move from an ordinary existence to an extraordinary success. So it is a 60 days online program. So conducted will be in the evening, 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour every day. So for 60 days. So this 60 days include 1 day theory, 1 day practical, something like that. We will see how we can structure it. And my specialty or the specialty of my course is, So I'm combining NLP with life coaching, executive coaching, then emotional intelligence coaching, happiness coaching, and all those things, so that it will impact you in the right way, so that your personality will changes from negative to positive. You can move from ordinary to extraordinary. But as a student, you need to apply yourself. You need to focus on what I'm teaching or training, and you need to implement all the strategies or the techniques in your personal life. Because unless if you are not willing, I cannot help. So you have to be willing. You have to completely unlearn the things what you have learned till today, and you have to learn the new things about NLP and other things, how mind works and other things. So to your definitely your mindset, your total personality, there will be a drastic change. I am telling you so confidently because I have already applied it in myself, because I have also places. I have also suffered from some traumatic experiences and depression and all. To overcome those depressions, to overcome the medications of those depressions, so I was in search of something. So I got hold of that NLP and other things. Then I studied everything. I have many certifications. So all those related to psychological experiences. Now I am a certified trainer. Since I am successful, I am saying it very confidently that I can bring that success to your life also. So my dear friends, very soon I will be announcing my 60 days online training program. So please don't miss it. It will be at a very affordable price. Since it is a beginning, it will be very affordable price. So it will be given in a very practical way through the Zoom platform only, and I will give you the recordings also. I will give you the PPTs also, so that whenever you want to practice, you can again go through them and you can practice very well. So that is the advantage of my training. So this is all about my NLP classes. I also conduct planning to have employability skills trainings. That is, I call it as actually campus to corporate. Campus to corporate, or I will also call it as employability skills. But this is a recorded video training. I'm going to share you recorded videos to your WhatsApp. So you can, at your convenience, you can attend those recorded videos and get the knowledge. And weekly once we can have a discussion session where you can clarify all the doubts. So it involves all the soft skills required to clear the interviews. There are several hurdles in the interview, several stages in the corporate interviews, how to handle those interviews, how to be confidently handle those, clear those interviews and join a corporate. So everything, corporate culture, how it works, how they look at the candidates, what type of candidate they will look. So all these things involved in that particular employability skill course training. So this particular training is not a actually live training. It is online training, but it will be in the form of recordings. It will be in the form of recording. So I will go on sharing the recordings to your WhatsApp. So the price will also be very, very affordable. So these are the two trainings I wanted to start probably in the month of September. I'm going to give you the latest updates from time to time. So my dear friends, my intention is, see, I have learned all these things first to help myself. I always wanted to be a trainer, so I wanted to contribute actually to the student's life, add value to the student's life. Now I wanted to add value to everyone's life, so that they can come out of their depression, anxiety, panic attack, phobia, etc. also, and the students can get the employability skills also, so that they can land up at a good corporate job with a very good salary and respected position. So these are my intentions, my dear friends. So money is secondary. When you add value to the society, money will definitely come. That's why I am planning to keep the prices of both the courses very, very affordable, my dear friends. So this is all about this particular video. All of these things I wanted to convey you. So therefore I have made this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel as well as share it to your friends also, so that they will also get the updated information, and they can join the training as well as get the benefit out of it. So thank you for the active listening. Thank you very much. So I will conclude the video.